to my channel. It's been quite a while since I have posted videos, but if you saw on Friday, I'm back with posting every Monday and Friday. So definitely subscribe and turn on your notifications if you haven't done so already to stay tuned for all my new videos coming up. And today I am doing a haul. I haven't done a haul in so long because I haven't been shopping. I've been trying to like not buy any clothes because I have so many clothes and I'm selling them like all on Depop. If you want to check out my Depop, I'll leave a link down below. It's always linked down below, but the thing is I only ship to Canada, so keep that in mind. But these things, I would say they're necessities, but I don't actually think so. There are a lot of accessories and like outerwear. I've been obsessed with buying jackets, so let's just get into it, I guess. Some of the stuff is really random and like kind of old, like bought in like February, March, and then there are some recent items that I bought today. But I think I'm gonna start with the old stuff first, just to get that out of the way. The first thing you guys saw in a lot of my outfit videos, and I actually hauled a pair of leggings from Aerie that were like red. I just have so many good things to say about them. I love them so much, so I decided to get them in black. The only thing is the black ones are so much tighter than the red ones. This is what they look like. They're just high-waisted leggings. These ones are just a different material, but I find that any black pants I own are just more structured, I guess. I don't know, maybe it's just the ink. But these ones are high-waisted, like I said. They're 7th, 8th length, I think, but they fit me like a regular pant because I'm just really short. They're called they're from like the Chill Play Move line. It has like a little pocket in here, but the pocket is where like the seam is on the side. So it's kind of impossible to put anything in it. I don't know what would even fit in this. Super thick, not see-through at all, which is really good. And they're not that expensive if you get them on sale. Regular price I think 60 bucks, but I got them for $28 on clearance, so pretty good deal. The next stuff I have is just a bunch of belts. I've been so into belts. You might have seen in like all my outfit videos because I wear this like 5 out of the 7 days a week because I just love it so much. It's so like classy and like looks so elegant, but it's from Forever 21. It was only $9 and it just has gold detailing with these like 2 silver rings, which I really like, and it's just like a thin belt. The next 2 belts I have are from Old Navy. I don't remember if I showed these in a haul, and I don't think I did, but this is the first belt and it is like a mustard yellow belt and has a little ring. I think this is so cute. And then the last belt I have, it is like a thick maroon belt, and once again it has gold detailing. I just really like belts with gold detailing because I wear a lot of gold jewelry, so it just goes with like what I wear. And this is just like a classic belt, and the belt part here is like the same leather. I bought this recently from Forever 21. It was really cute. I thought it'd be really cute for summer, so I decided to pick it up. I think the price is on this still. Yeah, this was $22. A pink shirt. I'm not really into pink, but this color I was kind of drawn to because it's kind of like peachy, and it has like a circle with the little like cactus. It kind of reminds me of Looney Tunes. And the sleeves and the collar have like this distressing to it, and it's like a really thick shirt, so I don't know how much I can wear this in the summer. I feel like this can be like a shirt for like a cooler day in the summer or just a spring day. The next thing I got is, I bought this just in case I went somewhere for March break and I didn't end up going anywhere, so I haven't worn this yet. This bathing suit is so cute. I love it so much, and once again it's pink. From Aerie. It was regularly $46.95, which is a lot of money for a bathing suit, and I think I got it on clearance for like $20. Their bathing suits are always on clearance, so never buy them full price. And it is a pink like checkered bathing suit, plaid looking thing, and it has like scallop detailing all around the top and the back. And these are my favorite kind of cut of bathing suits because I love like when it has straps. I hate halters so much. I like it when it's kind of like a bra style. Went to H&M. This bag literally weighs like 20 pounds. I bought way too many things because everything was on sale, and I was just everything was so cute, and you would never know it's from H&M. First thing I got is this black cardigan, and I actually do not have like a black knit cardigan. I've been looking for one for so long. I was so happy I found this for $10, regularly $35, on sale for $10, and it's just a giant black knit cardigan. The only thing is this is so staticky. Like when I tried it on, I just felt like my entire body was like, if I touched someone, I would have electrocuted them. I just felt so static. I don't know what I'm going to do about this when I actually want to wear it, because like, can you hear it? You can just hear the static. But this sweater is so cute. It has like these little like poof sleeves, and it just flows out so nicely. It's gonna be good for like the transitional weather that we're having, even though it's not that transitional because it's snowing outside. The next like items I got are like mainly jackets. First item I got is this blazer, and this blazer is honestly so cute. So this was regularly $60, on sale for 30 bucks, so it was 50% off. And the sleeves have this kind of like ruffle detail, like poof detail, and I don't know, it just makes it look so much nicer and like more feminine. I got two like the same jackets in different colors. I can't believe I bought these, to be honest, because like I have so many jackets. Oh my gosh, I'm forgetting something. I just remembered, speaking of jackets, I have another jacket to show you, but I just have so many jackets. I just love jackets. Jackets are just like the one thing I'll always buy, because I think I'm always cold, so I just always need a jacket. So the next thing I got is kind of like a blazer, kind of like a coat. Like I don't know what this is exactly, but I'm gonna just use it to throw on over dresses, skirts, basically everything. I don't even know what kind of material this is, but it's like a nice black jacket and has some like fraying detail along it. So even though it's like nice, the frame detail kind of makes it like a little more casual. And this just be a good jacket to throw over like on those days where you have to wear something nice and you're cold, but you don't want to wear a cardigan, so you wear this. It's like the perfect solution. I'm so excited to wear this out, but this is the same jacket in different color. I was so drawn to this print. It just reminds me of Easter, and I really wish I bought this for Easter because this would have been so cute. And it's just white with like blue and black threading. I love it so much. This once again was this was $70, on sale for 30. So that's a really good deal. So for this same jacket, so it's the same price. And the last item I got is a skirt, and this was $40. I got it for 20 bucks, so it was 50% off. And I just think it's the cutest thing ever. It is a plaid skirt. It's like light gray with like orange and white, but the orange is like really subtle. It's not like in your face, and it has this like really nice ruffle down it, and it actually goes longer. The ruffle is like longer than the skirt, so in the back the ruffle like is longer on the side and stuff. And I thought this would make me look so bad because it's like really like big on the hips, but it didn't make my hips look bigger than they were, which is good. And I just think this is so cute. I have so many like events that I can wear this to this upcoming like month and next month. I'm so excited to wear this. Okay, so last item I really hope I've never shown, because I just feel like it's been so long since I filmed. I saw this jacket at Old Navy for the longest time, and I don't know, I'm just drawn to like the weirdest things. And every time I go to Old Navy, they only had a medium, and the medium was humongous. Like, I fit like an extra large. I was in Old Navy one day, and like they had like a returns from online section that was like 50% off, and they had the jacket in a small. I literally almost started crying. I was freaking out. I was like, it still is like kind of big, but it's okay. I work with it, and it is this like giant white fuzzy coat that looks like a lamb, and I just love this jacket so much. I literally look ridiculous when I wear it. I don't know, I feel like it's just nicer than any of my fuzzy sweaters that I own because it has this like brown detailing through it. Love this. I think it came out to around $30, maybe less. That is everything for my haul video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was kind of small and kind of random, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Friday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!